Alright, so the objective of this project was to design two things. First, to design like an Etch-a-Sketch system that is controlled in such a way that one can input a drawing, or one can achieve three drawings. First is a line at 60 degrees that's 15 centimeters long. Second is a square that's 10 millimeters by 5 millimeters. And then last, a circle that's a diameter of 10 millimeters. To achieve this, one could either use the Arduino IDE or just program it directly through, with a G-code. We chose to do the latter and decided to go for G-code. As an example, we shall start uploading a file while we discuss the remainder of the project. So how this system works, basically, we set up two Arduinos. One Arduino allows us to control the G-code. Another one allows us to control a master-slave system, which is involved in the second part of this project. As you can see right here, this Arduino controls the master, or not the master, the Kerbal controlling the CNC status. Then this is the breadboard, with the two motor drivers, stepper motor drivers, and this is the breadboard with the two separate drivers for the master slave system. And this Arduino right here controls the master slave system, meaning that with controlling this Arduino or this Etch-a-Sketch right here, you can control the one across from it without looking. Okay, so we also created a G-code file that allows us to do three required drawings in one single program. So it's that one, and we can just upload it. And let me make sure it's connected and send. Okay, so as you can see, once the file is sent to the Etch-a-Sketch, it starts drawing it onto it. Which at this point, first we're gonna do the 15 millimeter line at 60 degrees. Then it's gonna go on to do the square. Then it's gonna go on to do a circle that's 6 millimeters or 10 millimeters in diameter. To create the system, the physical aspects of the system, we just designed it in such a way that two Etch-a-Sketches could be placed top to top, and the controllers and the knobs will be driven through from the top. To be able to connect, we 3D print our own knobs to make the Etch-a-Sketches controllable without the necessity of having to drill onto the knobs or take the knobs off. And with those 3D printed knobs that we designed, we purchased a flexible coupling that allows us to connect it to the stepper motor and be able to drive it and avoid the motors getting stuck, or the drive system being too tight for it to actually move. And that's the same system is for both motors, and they're just screwed onto this metal piece right here. For the encoder system, we replicated the system on the opposite side, using just the two encoders, and then just the two 3D printed knobs that attach directly to the encoders, and those encoders are glued to the knobs, which the knobs just slide in and out of the Etch-a-Sketch knobs. From there on, we can just simply draw and control the opposite Etch-a-Sketch. As you can see right here, we're finishing up the circle. The G-code is just enough so that I can actually perform all three drawings, and we will also show an example of it controlling and drawing something other than the three design drawings, which from what we got online, we just looked for and found a little alien head to draw and display. Okay, so for the alien face, it's just immediately going to start centering itself, and as you can see right there, it's going to draw one of the eyes, and it's going to go into the next eye, and then it's going to move on to the face. And that's just a file that it's designed to be done with what's it called, laser engraver. But since our system is CNC controlled, you can actually just do it that way.